In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a triple-line border to a paragraph in Microsoft Word. First, open your document and move your cursor to the paragraph you want to highlight. You can also select the entire paragraph if you prefer, but simply placing the cursor anywhere inside it works fine. Now look to the ribbon at the top, go to the Home tab, and find the paragraph group. In that group, you'll see the Borders icon. It looks like a square with lines. Click the small arrow next to it to open the menu, and then choose Borders and Shading. A dialog box will appear. Make sure you're on the Borders tab. This is where you control how the border looks and where it appears. Under Style, scroll through the list until you find a triple-line option. Word includes several multi-line styles, so pick the one that matches the look you want. Next, set the width to control how bold the lines appear. Wider settings create a stronger frame. Narrower ones are more subtle. Choose a color that complements your document. Black is classic and prints cleanly, but you can use a brand or accent color if that fits your design. On the right side of the dialog box, you'll see the Preview area. This is where you choose which sides of the paragraph get a border. Click the buttons for top, bottom, left, and right to toggle them on or off. If you want that framed, page-style appearance around your paragraph, turn on all four sides. If you'd rather emphasize just one edge, for example, a stylish left border, turn on only that side. Watch the preview to confirm it matches what you have in mind. Before you apply the border, look for the Apply to drop-down near the bottom of the window. Select Paragraph. This tells Word to place the border around the entire paragraph rather than around individual text characters. It also means the border will respect your paragraph's indentation and spacing, so it looks clean against your margins. When everything looks right, your triple-line style, width, color, and chosen sides, click OK. Your paragraph now has a crisp, triple-line border that draws attention without overwhelming the page. If the border feels too tight or too loose around your text, consider adjusting your paragraph's spacing or indents afterward to fine-tune the look. And if the lines don't seem bold enough, revisit Borders and Shading and try a slightly wider setting or a darker color for clarity in print. That's all there is to it. A quick, polished way to make important text stand out in your document.